Everyone, welcome back with another video. So in this video I'm going to review the book called 5am Club, Own Your Morning, Evaluate Your Life, which is written by Robin Sharma. So in this video I'm going to give you a little bit blurb of the storyline, as well as I'm going to tell you what are the gold nuggets you can take from this book. So before going into the summary part, I want to give you a little bit introduction about the author. Robin Sharma is one of the best public speaker, as well as leadership and personal optimizational trainer. Apart from this book, his other books are quite famous, like The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, as well as The Great Guide and The Man Who Had No Title, and many more books. The 5am Club is a fictional story about a billionaire mentor who's teaching up the struggling artist and an entrepreneur about the importance of waking up early to show how revolutionary it is for the success. This book is totally different from other self-help book because sometimes, like, there are two books. There are direct information books, or second one is historical books, so you can learn from the story. This book is based both. So the Robin Sharma in this book provides the direct information with the help of story. So in this book he tells the story, as well as in between that he gives the direct information. Like, the first benefit of reading this book is, so in this book Robin Sharma described what are the importance and what are the benefits of waking up early at 5am through science. So he utilized science theories to benefit of waking up at 5am. And the second benefit in this book you get about a personal mastery. So in this book he described how you can achieve personal mastery with internal empires, or we can say 4 pillars of life. So he described 4 pillars as like mindset, health set, heart set, and soul set. So these are the 4 major pillars of interior empires he described in this book. The third benefit you can take from this book is 20-20-20 formula, which is the best part I liked in this book. So in this formula he described after waking up at 5am what you should do. So the first one, I'm going to give you the screenshot on the screen. I'm just going to read a small part of this chart. So in 2020 formula, he divides that first 60 minutes of waking up at 5am. The first he divides 20 minutes. There are 3 slots. The first slots are from 5am to 5:20am. So in this slot he described that first, when you wake up, you should move. Move means you should exercise first and sweat. So that moment your body gets wake up properly, or you can focus on major things after that. The second slot it describes from 5:20 to 4:30, reflect. In this time you should focus on major things on day, like writing a journal or writing a to-do list or meditation, or you can pray that time. And the third part, like in third pocket from 5:40am to 6pm, in that time you should grow. Means that time you can hear podcast, or you can read articles related to your stream or your field. So in this time he describes what are the benefits you can take after waking up at 5am. So you should not waste time after waking up, like using your smartphone, checking your emails. That are the major distraction at that time. So after waking up at 5am you should focus in these 3 pockets. Apart from these 3 things, the one of the best part which I liked in this book is, in this book Robin Sharma given the whole chart of the day, like you can say a timetable of the whole day. On page number 235 he just described how you can construct your whole day. So in this chart I'm going to give you a screenshot on screen. So in this time he described when to wake up, when to eat, when to exercise. He described every part or every aspect of the day clearly, so you can understand your day properly. So I rate this book 4.5 out of 5 because there are some topics which I could not get properly. I have to read this book again for better understanding. And one more thing I just want to give you before ending this video. The writing and the style which is utilized in this book is totally simple. Any beginner can understand this book very clearly. I recommend this book for those who are looking for great inspiration as well as who want to change their lifestyle. Then this book is perfect for you. Then go ahead and read this book, and if you like my review, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more anything, let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.